Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. First step, you want to search for Genshin Impact download. Search for it, the first option Genshin Impact, click on it. Once you do that, it is going to take you to the official website of Genshin Impact. Now from over here, click on official site at the top right corner and it'll take you to its official site. Now from its official site, you can see the option called download at the top right. Click on download again and then choose the platform which you want to download it on. So I want to download it on Windows, so I will click on Windows. Once I do that, it'll start to download. Now this is not Genshin Impact, this is Genshin Impact installer. So you need to download the installer first, and from that installer, you can download Genshin Impact. So once the Genshin Impact installer downloads, you want to go in the download folder and open the Genshin Impact installer. You can just double click on it and it'll open up. Once it opens up over here, first tick mark I have read this terms and service to agree to them, and click on advance and click on change. Now after you do that, you can choose in which folder you want to save Genshin Impact on your PC. After you choose the location, you want to click on install now and Genshin Impact will start to install. And that is how we guys can install Genshin Impact on your PC and start playing it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.